Hi all, welcome to Space Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare mint pulao or Pudina rice. The ingredients are basmati rice, mint leaves, green chilli, garlic, ginger, onion, baby corn, potato, turmeric powder, bay leaf, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, ghee and salt. Soak rice in water for at least 30 minutes. Meanwhile, cut all the vegetables into cubes and slice the onions and keep them ready. Gather all the ingredients to grind. Grind the mint leaves, ginger, garlic and green chilies into a fine paste with little water. In a pan, add ghee or oil, then bay leaf, cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. Add the sliced onions and fry them till transparent. Add the vegetables, salt and turmeric powder and fry for a minute. Add the ground paste and mix well. Add the water and salt and allow it to boil. Drain the water from the soaked rice and add the rice to the pan. Mix the rice gently. Check for salt and once it starts to boil, close the lid and cook in low flame for 12 minutes. Let it rest for 5 to 6 minutes. Now open the lid and fluff the rice. The yummy Pudina rice is ready. This mint pulao is an easy lunch recipe. Hope you get to try this. Please let us know your comments. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.